guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here. I hope everybody is having a Merry Christmas. Today I am going to make a homemade fruitcake. This is the only recipe that I will eat. I don't like the store-bought fruitcake, so this is the only way that I will eat it. We're going to use all these ingredients that I am showing you, and as we go I will tell you how much of each ingredient I used. If any of you try this recipe at home, please let me know. Send me pictures and let me know what you thought of it. So we're going to start by putting 2/3 of the condensed milk into my measuring cup so that I can measure it out to exactly 2/3. A whole can would be too much for the amount that I am making, so. So once I finally got it all into the measuring cup, I'm going to turn it on really low, like between warm and low on my stove. And then we're just going to scoop all of that out of the measuring cup and into the pot. Next, I'm going to add the marshmallows. I think this bag is a 1 pound bag, and I'm going to use about 2 cups of the marshmallows. It's a little over half the bag. So while the marshmallows and the condensed milk are on the stove, I'm going to go ahead and crush up 1.5 bags of these graham crackers. You want to make it, you want to get them really into like a fine dust. I don't get them as crushed up as you should. I kind of like mine not crushed all the way up, so I'll leave a little bit of chunks in it, but you should crush it all the way up. And then I'm going to add about 1/2 cup of raisins. I'm going to add 2 cups of the coconut flakes. And I really like cherries, so I'm going to add almost the entire thing of these cherries. I think I kept 3 out that me and my son did eat, so I used all of them. and then just give it a little mix. Once you do that, we're going to go back over here to the marshmallows, and I'm going to increase the heat just a little bit at a time while I'm stirring the marshmallows up. This part of the recipe takes the longest. You don't want to heat it too fast. You will burn your marshmallows. So just take your time with it. Once you get them nice and melted like this is what they'll look like. We are going to add this mixture to our other mixture that we made. Just combine the two together and then stir them up. I will like to say that when you start to stir it up, once the marshmallows begin to cool, it becomes very, very tough to stir it. So just be prepared for that. If you're making it for just you and your family, you can wash your hands, use your hands. Sometimes that is better. You want to make sure that you mix it really, really well. You want to get everything coated in that marshmallow and condensed milk mixture. I'm going to add my walnuts. You can do that in the very beginning. I just forgot, so I am going to go ahead and add them in now. And I'm just going to put 2 little handfuls in this Ziploc, and I like to crush mine up, and then I'm going to add them to the mixture. So once I've got that done, I've already prepared a pan. I like this one because the center pulls out. So whatever pan you're going to use, you can use something like this or a loaf pan. Make sure that you, with saran wrap, you want to make sure that you do that, because if you don't, you're probably never going to get it to come out of the pan. So please make sure you do that. And I'm just going to go ahead and put mine in here, making sure that my saran wrap doesn't fall down underneath. I'm going to try to even it out with the spoon. And then I'm just going to fold the saran wrap down and around it so that I can pat it all down and make everything even. When I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and put it in the refrigerator for about 2 hours and then pull it out so I can show you guys. Normally you want to leave it in there all night long, but I want to show you guys and get this video up. So this is after about 2 hours. I'm going to pull it out of my pan. I'm going to put it on a plate. Me and my little one are going to try a piece. It's still going to be pretty sticky and gooey, but the longer you leave it in the refrigerator, it'll get a little firmer and won't be as sticky. It's going to be sticky because of the marshmallows, but just not as sticky it is right now. Nevertheless, it's still very, very good. Yes, I just ate my piece and it is amazing. I love this recipe so much. I really hope that some of you guys enjoy it and do try to make it. It is really, really good. Now I'm just going to put it in a little decorative Christmas cake pan, and I'm going to set it back in the refrigerator. Me and my little one are going to enjoy the piece that I just cut. I really, really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Merry Christmas. I'll see you guys in my next one. I love you. Bye.